is the cause of cervical cancer? Cervical cancer is caused by a virus that is known as human papillomavirus, or HPV. It's actually a sexually transmitted virus, and it is one of the most common sexually transmitted viruses in the world. In fact, studies have shown that out of 100 women, before they are reaching the age of 50, more than 80 of them must have been exposed to this virus. And the good thing is that it's not every woman that is exposed to the virus that ends up developing cervical cancer. It's just around 20 to 30% of the women may develop cervical cancer. Majority, 70 to 80%, their immunity even clears it off without them ever even noticing that they had HPV infection. So just those few that may persist and then subsequently develop to cervical cancer. And it will be important to add here that this human papillomavirus, there are so many different types of them. There are over 100 subtypes, and they actually group into two. We have the high risk type and then the low risk type. The high risk type, we can also call them the oncogenic type. And this high risk type, they are responsible for cervical cancer, and they are also implicated with anal cancer, even vulval cancer, and even cancer of the throat in some cases. And then we have the low risk type, the one that generally will cause what we call genital warts. Genital warts is a benign flesh-like, mushroom-like growth that may be growing on the skin, most often on the vulva or on the genitals. So that is what is responsible for cervical cancer, human papillomavirus, which is sexually transmitted.